In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get a Pet Simulator X stand on Please Donate in Roblox. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. To begin, you're going to need to go onto Pet Simulator X if you haven't already. Once you have logged into Pet Simulator X, you're going to pick your pet and name it, and stay in the game for 30 minutes to a minute at least. Once you're done that, the game will actually register that you have opened, launched the game, and created a pet so that you'll have access to your new stand on Please Donate. So from there, you can leave the game and you can join up on Please Donate. Once you join up on Please Donate, you're going to navigate to a free stand once again. Once it loads up, like usual, walk to an unclaimed stand, claim it, and click on Edit. Then, you can click on Settings, use your scroll wheel to scroll to the end, and you will have a Pet Simulator X stand. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.